So I'm not really sure if kindergarten used Seesaw last year or how familiar parents are with Seesaw. This is the platform I'm going to be using in instances like this where we are ordered to quarantine any student that decided to go back to school after showing negative test results. Everything I'm putting on Seesaw is what they're going to be doing in class, maybe with the exception of a few math assignments here and there. But if we ever do go to remote learning, this is the platform we're going to use as well. So you should make yourself familiar with that. So all you're going to do is open up your web browser and go to seesaw.com. It's going to open up a page that looks just like this. You're going to go in the upper right-hand corner where it says log in. Now, the thing you should know about Seesaw is its favorite color is green. So when you're submitting assignments, the way to submit it, you need to make sure you hit the green submit button, which I will go over when we get to the assignments. So you are student, so you're going to click this middle button, I am student. Now, you're going to ignore this whole part where it says email. They do not want you to put in your school email, your Google email, nothing like that. You're going to go down to the bottom here where it says text code. And that's that 16-digit individual code I sent you guys in the spreadsheet with your student's name. Now, each code is unique, but each of the codes need to be typed exactly how you see it. So they're all uppercase letters, and it's 4 letters separated by a space. So I'm going to type in one of my students' codes so you can see what Seesaw is going to look like on your end. So I'm typing it exactly as I see it. The 4 uppercase letters followed by a space. Once I have my password in, I'm going to click go, and it's going to take me here. Now, as you can see, this says Mr. Barr's music class. You can check that you're in the right account up in the left-hand corner where you will see the student's name. As you can see, this student has 4 classes, as all of your students will. My homeroom class and then their specials. So if I click this drop down, you can see they have music with Mr. Barr, Miss Felt is SEL, Miss Sam is art, and then here is homeroom. As you can see, all the assignments are going to be under my homeroom, including Coach Sally for gym if they ever have any gym assignments. So what you're going to do is click wherever you see red, make sure you're on my page, and you're going to click activities, and you can see these are all the activities I have assigned for the students. Okay, and you use the scroll bar and see. Now, these are not the assignments for the whole week. These are just the assignments for Wednesday. So I'm going to leave these up for tomorrow, and then Thursday there will be more assignments added, and then Friday there will be more assignments added. So by the end of the week, there will be a ton of assignments to do. The cool thing about Seesaw is it's pretty interactive. As you can see, students get to record, they get to drag and drop, there's videos, they get to type, they get to draw, all that good stuff. So we've been doing journals every day since the second day of school. So I'm going to continue. I know journals have been hard for the kids, but I want them to try their best. And these are also a good conversation piece for us to get the students talking and building vocabulary and building their thinking. So I do have a journal, and tomorrow's Wednesday, so they get to do a would you rather. We're learning about nouns this week. So if you have a video, you see this, I like to call it like a little paperclip link. To watch the video, you're going to click it, and it's going to open up in whatever platform it came from. So this is from BrainPop, so I'm going to click it again, and my web browser is going to open, and here's the video I would like the students to watch. It's less than a 5-minute video, so they're going to click play and watch this fun video to learn all about nouns. After they watch the video all about nouns, then here is their noun activity. Now, in order to complete an activity and submit an activity, like at the beginning of my video, I said, Seesaw loves green. So here's this green button that says add response. So right here, sometimes there's going to be directions or just a little brief information to remind the students. So a noun is a person, place, or thing. It says if the noun is a person, color the sign red. If it is a place, color it orange. And if it is a thing, color it yellow. So the students will click on add response, and it's going to open up the activity for them. So here's the activity, and those same directions are up there, but it's just a little bit harder to see. Now, when I have the students color, I don't like them using this marker tool because as you can see, when they color, I can't read the words, so I don't know if their answer's correct. So if they go right next door to the marker, there's this nice little highlighter, and they can color it like that, where I could still see the word to check that their work is correct. Now, after they've colored this whole thing, and over here, there are all the colors that they can change. It doesn't matter what shade of the color, as long as it's the correct color that the assignment is asking. Now, when you're done with the assignment, make sure you click this green check mark in the corner. A lot of times students click this one, draft, so this assignment never gets submitted to me because the draft means the student is still working on it. So in order for students to submit the assignment to me, they need to click this green check mark, and it'll close out of the assignment and take them back to the home page. I am not going to do that because I would like the student to do that for me. And once activities are completed, they will, I believe they disappear from over here because the activity is done. So the more activities they complete, the less activities they will have left to do. Like this one is a YouTube video explaining parts of a book. So again, click the link and it's going to open up my YouTube where the students could watch my lesson and learn all about the parts of a book. Then they're going to go back to Seesaw and complete the activity that follows. Again, another coloring activity. Again, click add response and follow the directions. Don't forget to click that green check mark. Some of the activities like this one, we did skip counting last week. So this one gives explicit directions. We're using the hand tool and then using the record. So I'm going to show you this one. So using the hand tool, they want you to drag and drop. So you're going to click this hand and it's going to allow you to pick up pieces to move them to the board. So the activity is starting at the start, skip count by 10. So the student would click this hand icon. They would grab the 10 and each of the pieces that follow and place them. And then the activity says, please record yourself skip counting. So you're going to come over here to the left to this record button, the microphone. You're going to click it and it's going to ask you to record. Now, I'm not on Firefox or Chrome. I'm on just the Safari browser. So depending on your browser, you're going to have to adjust that so you can record. Again, when you're done, make sure you do the drag and drop and the record, and then you can hit the green check mark. When all of your assignments are done, you won't see any more, and there will be no more assignments in red up here. That's how you can always be sure that your assignments are done, because there won't be a number at the top corner. I hope this was helpful. And again, if you have any questions or difficulties navigating Seesaw, please don't hesitate to reach out.